Welcome to Review Lab. The best Pokemon Battle Box is probably one of the most exciting ways for trainers of all levels to dive into the world of competitive Pokemon TCG, offering a curated selection of powerful cards and essential accessories designed to get you battling right out of the Number 5. Pokemon Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars Build and Battle Box. Overflowing with light, Arceus vs Star descends from on high. It shares its celestial powers with other Pokemon V. These cards are from a variety of sets, giving you an incredible way to diversify your collection. They are curated by a seller with over 20 years of experience. You can expect these cards to range in condition from near mint to lightly played. This ensures you get great quality for your collection. Use these cards to dominate your competition. While minor duplication may occur among common and uncommon cards, the overall value is immense. Gift the best set to your favorite player or trainer. Watch the excitement unfold as they build their collection with this perfect gift for any occasion. This set of Pokemon cards makes the perfect gift for any occasion. It's especially great as a holiday gift set. What we like. Overflowing with light, this box features the celestial power of Arceus vs Star. If you are looking to diversify your collection with a powerful new addition, this is the one for you. Gift it to your favorite trainer and watch their excitement unfold. What people say. The Pokemon Battle Box is a fantastic way to start collecting or expand your collection with a variety of powerful Pokemon cards. Each box includes several booster packs, giving you a great chance to pull rare and holographic cards. The included promo cards are often exclusive to the box, making it a valuable addition for serious collectors. Number 4. Pokemon TCG, Sword and Shield Battle Styles Elite Trainer Box. Give your Pokemon card collection a significant boost. This box includes 8 booster packs, each with 10 cards, plus essential energy cards to enhance your gameplay. Get the advantage in your battles with the included Player's Guide for the Sword and Shield Battle Styles expansion. Expand your knowledge and outsmart your opponents. Are you ready to become the greatest trainer? You might discover powerful cards like Mimikyu V, Tyranitar V, Empoleon V, or Gigantamax Urshifu. This elite box comes with exclusive items you won't find anywhere else. It includes 65 specialty card sleeves, dice, a coin flip die, and condition markers. Show off your Pokemon pride with this special collector's box. It's designed to hold all your new cards and accessories, complete with dividers for easy organization. What we like. This box gives your collection a significant boost with 8 booster packs and exclusive elite trainer items. If you want to gain the upper hand and become the greatest trainer, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those aiming to outsmart their opponents with a wealth of resources. What people say. This product has everything a Pokemon fan could ask for, making it deserving of a 5-star rating. Well, this is very good for beginner Pokemon collectors because it has like 5 to 6 Pokemon booster packs, it comes with a guide, some dice, and other stuff. So it's kinda like a starter pack, you know. It was saran wrapped and include everything that was listed, no packages were open or resealed. Number 3. Pokemon TCG, Sword and Shield Fusion Strike Build and Battle Booster Kit. The path forward is filled with endless possibilities. A new Fusion Strike style is here, ready to be discovered. Embrace the unbound spirit of Pokemon and trainers. Adaptable new Pokemon V, including Genesect, Hoopa, and Mew VMAX, are eager to join the fight. Will you harness their power? Watch out for Single Strike and Rapid Strike Pokemon, as Rillaboom VMAX, Cinderace VMAX, and Inteleon VMAX reveal their Gigantamax forms. These powerful Pokemon are ready to dominate. Go with the flow and uncover potent new strategies. This expansion offers exciting ways to play and win. Each kit provides a 23-card evolution pack with key cards from current and prior sets, plus alternate art promo cards. You'll also get 4 booster packs to enhance your collection. This set gives you a strong foundation for building a new deck. Prepare to face your friends and opponents with everything you need. The Build and Battle Stadium is your all-in-one solution. It includes everything 2 players need to prepare and engage in thrilling battles. What we like. Embrace the unbound spirit with the new Fusion Strike style, featuring adaptable new Pokemon V. If you are looking for a strong foundation to build a new deck and battle with friends, this kit is ideal. It includes everything needed for 2 players to prepare and battle. What people say. The Pokemon Battle Box is a great way to start collecting. It comes with several booster packs and a promo card. The box itself is sturdy and can be used for storage. Number 2. Pokemon Sword and Shield Chilling Reign Build and Battle Box. Get ready to build and battle with the brand new Sword and Shield Chilling Reign expansion. It's time to test your skills and strategy. Each kit comes with a special 23-card evolution pack. This pack includes crucial cards from current and past sets, plus a chance for one of 4 alternate art promo cards. You'll also find 4 Pokemon TCG, Sword and Shield Chilling Reign booster packs to expand your collection. Discover new allies and powerful attacks. Need help crafting the perfect deck? A handy deck building tip sheet is included to guide your strategy. Make every card count. This listing is for a factory-sealed build and battle kit, ensuring you receive everything in its original, pristine condition. Start your adventure today. What we like. Build and battle with the exciting Chilling Reign expansion, featuring key cards from current and prior sets. If you enjoy collecting alternate art promo cards and want to enhance your gameplay, this kit is a fantastic choice. It provides a great way to prepare for battles with a curated selection of cards. What people say. The cards are all holographic and look amazing. This is a great way to start a collection or add to an existing one. The box itself is sturdy and can be used for storage. Number 1. Pokemon Sword and Shield Build and Battle Box. This planner helps you keep track of all your important dates. Never forget birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays again. Manage your daily activities with ease. Keep up with meetings, appointments, and deadlines without any hassle. Effectively organize your work projects and tasks. Stay on track and accomplish your goals throughout the year. Jot down all your brilliant ideas as they come to you. Keep a running to-do list of everything you want to accomplish. Set reminders for yourself to stay motivated. Reach your personal and professional goals with this helpful tool. What we like. This box helps you track important events and organize your tasks to stay on track. If you need a tool to jot down ideas, set reminders, and motivate yourself to reach your goals, this is the perfect companion. It's designed for anyone looking to enhance their productivity and organization. What people say. This box is a great way to start collecting Pokemon cards. It comes with several booster packs and a special promo card. The cards inside are usually a mix of common, uncommon, and rare cards. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.